Hola amigos, I'm going to talk about today the May 28, 2019 update for CoinManage. As always, you can update by selecting check for updates from the help menu. If there's an update available, it will download it and install it. So what's new in the latest update? Well, we've added both major new additions are related to reporting. And so what you can do now is you can right mouse click on a type, for example, Indian head cents, and you'll notice we've expanded the menu so that we've got a type variety list, which just gives the output of all the varieties in Indian head cents. And below that we've got a couple of links reports. And so let me go ahead and click on one of those, type variety list with links. And in most cases you're going to want to output this kind of report to a PDF format. So let me go ahead and do that. Click on start. I'll just accept the default file name of export. Save. And what this does is it's a complete listing of all Indian head cents with links, and the links are to eBay completed auctions, CoinFacts and collectors.com. CoinFacts and collectors.com are basically for United States coins in most cases. So all we need to do is, let's say we want to look at the current eBay listings for the 1866 Indian cent. Just click on eBay, the blue link, and it's going to show me the current listings. Now I can go back and click on eBay. Let's say I want to look at eBay completed for 1862 Indian head cents. And as you can see here, it's showing the completed listings, and so that's a good idea of getting what these kind of coins sell for. Obviously you're going to see listings for different conditions, but it can be quite helpful if you're trying to decide how much you want to sell a coin for, how much it's worth. Okay, and we've also got CoinFacts and collectors.com. You can click on those links if you need to. The second major enhancement is we have taken the create collection report feature. And what this is basically a easy way to generate reports or create reports, and from there you can either just use them as they are, or you can make additional changes within the report designer. So let me click on this, and when you click on that menu item, you get this dialog box, and what it's asking you is, what do you want? What fields do you want in the report? Do you want it in landscape mode? Let's say I want it in landscape mode. Give it a name. Sorry. Now we've got some checkboxes here. Show totals shows the complete totals at the end of the report. Show coin image will show the same image you would see in the list view here. And now if you decide to group the report by any sort of field, you can group by collection, grading service. We've added a couple of new ones that weren't there before. We've added a multi-level grouping, and that's basically, this one basically is country, denomination, and year. So first it groups by denomination, then first it groups by country. Within the country it groups by denomination, and then within denomination by year, by type. So let me select that, and you'll notice a new checkbox, table of contents, which you will see later what that does. Show group totals is going to show the group totals for each type, denomination, and country. And here I can decide what order of fields and where I want them to show up. Let's say I want the collection to be first column. Let's say I want to add comments. I can move that up. You get the idea. So at the bottom here we've got a couple buttons: create report and design, and create report and close. And so let me just select the create report and design. What that does is take these parameters we've specified, and it's going to bring up the report designer with kind of like a template, the groupings we've specified and whatnot. And from here we can make additional changes. For example, we want to change the color of one of the groups or something like that. But I'll just accept it as it is. And now when I go back, I can run a report, and let me just output a report using all data. And I'll just select the example one that I created. Let me just output to preview, click start. And as you can see here, now you'll notice here the checkbox or table of contents. By doing that, we can now, you'll see the country and then the denomination. All we got to do is click on one of those to go to that particular item. So if I want to go to United States 1 cent, I just click there, and as you can see, it shows all the subgroupings. For example, the type, the totals for the type, and then it's going to show the totals for the denomination and then for the country. Okay, that's pretty much most of what has been added to the program. We'll be coming out with new free updates, probably another one in another month or so. Thanks a lot. Take care and have a good day.